Okay, so here we have some air conditioners I filmed in, I think the last time was June of 2016. And this one just shut off. Trane XP 1000. And actually I think this is a straight cool unit. I can't really tell though. This one's from 2001, it's a 4-ton. And then here's a new carrier which wasn't here last time. It's from 2019, it's a 5-ton. Oop, spiderweb. It's got the swept blades, Copeland scroll compressor. And then here's another Trane XP 1000. Pretty quiet actually. 5-ton from 2001. And carrier base models right here. And a new Guardian. Replace the Trane XR. It's 2007 310. It's from 2016. It's a 4-ton. Copeland scroll. From 2011, and then this one's the same. Goodman scroll. These are all straight cools over here. Five-ton from 2002 and 5-ton from 2011. Some Trane XRs here.